I'm not going to waste your time in this video. I'll show you exactly how to create a viral animated avatar like this for your YouTube videos using only CapCut. It's no secret that faceless channels are everywhere nowadays, and the most successful ones are using animated avatars. For example, the channel AI Guy gained 275,000 subscribers in just 4 months, or the Zinni Studio with 121,000 subscribers. So if you run a faceless channel and you're not using an animated avatar yet, you're definitely falling behind, no matter what niche you're in. Okay, now let's get started with the creative process. First, we need the image that we'll bring to life as our avatar. For that, we need to have CapCut installed. You can download the mobile version from the Play Store or App Store, and for the PC version, just search CapCut on Google, click the first link, and download it. Once it's installed, open CapCut and go to Create with AI. This is a feature that lets you create high-quality images of anything you want using prompts. I've already left an excellent prompt for you in the description that you can use to generate the image. Then we need to adjust the aspect ratio depending on the platform we'll use. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Also choose whether you want standard resolution, 1K, or high resolution, 2K. I'll go with high. Now just click Generate, and CapCut will create 4 images for you in just a few seconds, based on the prompt we provided. I think these look pretty good. But if you want to make variations, just tweak the prompt and the AI will give you new results. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Now I'll pick this image right here for our avatar. I'll download it, and now we go to Home and click Create Project. Here, the first thing I'll do is import the image we just downloaded. Then we'll import the mouth animation, which you can easily find on YouTube by searching for animated mouth talking green screen, or you can download it directly from the Google Drive link I've left in the video description. Now place both the avatar image and the mouth animation on the timeline. Select the mouth animation, then go to Remove BG. After that, enable Chroma Key and select the green background to remove it, leaving only the mouth. Then simply position the mouth in the right place and adjust its size as needed. Test it out to make sure everything looks good. You can also add an effect to your avatar if you want. This one here is one of my favorites, but feel free to pick whichever you like. Let's see how it turned out. And just like that, your animated avatar is ready to use in all your videos. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep growing together.